equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your ASUS K513E laptop. First, power down your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You'll notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. As you lift the panel, you may notice some dust accumulation inside. It's a good idea to clean this out with a soft brush or compressed air to ensure optimal airflow and performance. Now, locate the battery. It's typically a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before disconnecting it, take a moment to observe how it's connected. This will help you when installing the new battery. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. To disconnect the battery, gently pull the connector away from the motherboard. Be careful not to tug on the wires themselves. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery from its compartment. Take your new compatible battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Connect the battery to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely attached. After the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Before replacing the back panel, double-check that there are no loose screws or components inside. If you need assistance, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can be sure everything is in order. Now, align the back panel with the laptop and press down gently to snap it back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws or damage the casing. Finally, flip your laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Power it on and check if the new battery is recognized. You can do this by going to the battery settings in your operating system. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your ASUS K513E laptop. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.